Hi guys, I'm going to be reviewing a new package that I just got. Unfortunately, when I started the unboxing, doing the whole video, the video didn't quite record. It only recorded 30 seconds of it. So it came in this box. I was doing the whole opening up thing, but yeah, well, I guess that's a waste, but these are the people that made the light blaster. Most of you have seen that in some of my pictures, you know, where I have the cool effects in the background. And today they sent me another one. And what did they send me? They sent me two Lumiee lights. This is one of their latest products that they've made. I've been seeing it and I'm excited about it. I'm really looking forward to using them in a shoot. So let's begin. We'll skip the whole charade of unboxing thing because we all know what happened. But cool thing, they sent me this. They actually sent me a Spiff.y notebook, and I really like this. I'm quite excited about this because these days I write a lot, along with their Spiff.y pen. I hope you can see that. Yeah. First thing I unpacked was this. This is their bi-color light. So inside it, they have one light bracelet, one tripod mount, and then one USB cable. Now, if we go inside, this is the lights that they have. It's very sleek, it's very nice. A strip of LEDs, and you can tell there are two different colors, and that's what the bi-color thing stands for. And it comes with three different buttons over here that you can control. It has this slot. I don't know if you can see the slot. It has a slot here where you can insert or hang it up on something, and then at this corner you can see the USB ports. Is the old type of USB. And the cool thing about these lights is that they snap onto anything that you wrap it around. So in this case, the only thing that the main thing that you see people strap it around with is their wrist. So they strap it like that and then it goes on. And as you can see, this is pretty cool. Okay, now one very, very cool thing that I saw about this strap was that if you're a photographer and you're digging into your bag because you're having a night shoot, you know, and you need some lights to see what it is that you're doing, you can basically, you know, turn it on, and then, you know, you're digging into your lights and searching and finding whatever you need, you know, when it's dark in there. And this is very cool. And it simply opens and snaps back quite nicely. It's easy on and off. It goes around anything. See that? That's cool. Okay, I don't think that's a good idea, but yeah. Once it's locked in this position, it's like a centipede. Once you touch it, it calls up and it needs time to, you know, recoil back. And that, I think, is a good idea. Three buttons where they have the power. If you long press the power, it goes off. If you press it once, it comes on, and then you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's a 3-set, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a 4-set cycle of light. And if you press this one is where you add the white one, then you can change, you know, the brightness along with that. Then this is where you change, wait, what is this one for? Ah, this is the one that gives you effect. So if you're using for a long video, something. I think my battery is low on this one, that's why it keeps going off. I would need to charge it for that, but this is a pretty cool and neat gear. I like the texture. It comes with a USB charger, pretty neat and simple. And then it has these 3M metallic stuff that you can stick at the back. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So it has some magnetic like hot spots. There's one here, and then there's one here, and then there's one here. So there are 3 magnetic hotspots at the back, and that is pretty cool. So that ends it for the bi-color. Let's get to the RGB. But like I was saying earlier, I actually do like their packaging is very neat. The colors are great. The presentation is just awesome, and it's simple. I mean, this can actually be a Christmas gift you can just hand to someone, and I think it's awesome. So let's get this out and see how it goes. Okay, in terms of weight, it's just about the same. Yeah, I think it's the same weight. Maybe this one a little tiny bit, a micro bit heavier. So this is the RGB, meaning it'll give you red, blue, and green. I'd have to do another video talking about the brightness after I have charged these. So as I said again, the texture of this one is also quite nice. Feels good. The rubber is nice. I just hope that in the future it doesn't get, you know, sticky, because some of these materials, sometimes after a while, they get a bit sticky with it. It also has 3 hotspot thing, but I like the whole feel. This the same with the USB charger. Bi-color, RGB color. In the next video that I'm going to show you, I am going to tell you about their brightness, the usefulness, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Lumiee, thank you very much. Spiff.y, thank you very, very much for this gift. I really do appreciate it. I know I'm gonna have some fun with these lights, and I know that as we play with lights at DextDee Studio, you know, it's more about lights for us. This will be an exciting add-on because the light blaster has done great things for us. This is gonna even do more. And I'll find a way to combine the light blaster in this one or the other and see how it goes. But that's it. Thank you and see you.